In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tail lights on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. In the trunk, on the side, we're going to take this little cover off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Slide that open. We'll disconnect the connector. I'm just going to use a pick, and you can push that little tab down, or you can try doing that with your finger. Just pop that off. Using a 8mm socket, there's 3 nuts. You want to take those 3 nuts out. Take those out. One right there. Last one. You can grab the light assembly and it slides right out. The bulbs that you can replace, you can access those from the back. There's a little tab here and a little tab here. Just slide those tabs back. And this comes out. You can grab the bulb, push down, twist to the left, and this is a P21W bulb. Push it in, twist to the right. You can do the same with the other one. Take the board, line it up, and lock it in place. Slide the light assembly in place. On the inside, you want to get the nut started. And snug those down. Snug that down. Take the connector, line that up, lock it down, take the cover, get that started, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.